Hello everyone, I am Ron and today we are diving into Sendcloud, a powerful shipping solution designed to simplify fulfillment for e-commerce business. Whether you're running WooCommerce or Shopify store, this video will show you how to integrate SoundCloud, man shipment, and save time on logistics. For those who don't know, Sendcloud is a shipping platform designed to automate and streamline auto fulfillment for commerce business, right? Which features 5 multi-carrier integration. And there's a lot more we will just talk about, but let's go and check the pricing here. As you can see here, pricing is around, there are 4 plans, right? And monthly is slightly expensive than yearly. And simply we have to just go and click on start free trial, and you can come to this website and you can compare all the plans by yourself here. Now here I'm going to use my Google account. In your case, you can just simply go and use your email, right? And if you like to go, you can just go with the same method which I'm doing here because it's very simple, right? And it just takes a few seconds if I use Google. Now here I click on agree with the terms and conditions and click on continue. And this is the entire dashboard which you will find here. I will just go one by one from the basic. Now, first of all, we have to just enter our name. Now, where are you located? So we are located in here. Let's select here UK, and here then just your company name. And what is your primary URL of your website? And here you can just leave completely blank if you don't have. And I will show you how you can connect your store to your Shopify, right? So once you're here, let's go and enter your phone number, because as you can see here, this asterisk, it means that this informations are really necessary. Now about your shipping details, so please select an industry. Now I just work on baby products, right? You can choose here any one of this option, right? Pretty easy thing to do. And if you don't find your option, you can simply go and choose other, right? And how many parcel do you ship per month? So let's say it around 1,000 to 2,500 here, and click on save and continue. As I told you, this information are really important. So enter my phone number. I will just go and click on save and continue. Now, the third step is basically connect your store here. Now here you can see, you can connect your store with Shopify, WooCommerce, and there's a much more option, even with the Amazon. And here, if you just go below here, scroll down, and you will find many more options where you can just connect it, right? And it cover almost small to largest platforms, right? And it's really easy to do, even though if you just want to connect with this support, and just like normal Shopify, you can also do that here. Now it will show you the most popular integration. Now here we are going to talk about Shopify and WooCommerce. So let's first of all just go with the connect with the Shopify. So simply go and click on connect. You will be redirected to a new page here. Now it will take you to your Shopify app store. Now if you just ask to so except here is a basic issue. Use some dash. Click on add application on the left section, App Store, and it will redirect to use Shopping App Store here. Now here you can just search for Sendcloud, right? And by the way, Sendcloud is not available in every country. So as you can see here, it's not available in my country, but in your case, you will simply get an option to install. Right now, you have to simply, as you can see here, you have to just go and click on our app, and this is how it will ask you to install the application. And within few seconds, this is how it will look in your Sendcloud dashboard once it get connected. So once you install it, automatically it will get connected. Really easy, just like how you install your other application over your Shopify. And as you can see here, this is a dashboard, and automatically it will get connected and all the orders will show up here, and you can just set up your Sendcloud. Now, if you want to connect your WooCommerce, so simply just go and click on WooCommerce here. Now it will ask you to download this Sendcloud shipping, right? So simply just go and click on download here. Now this is, you can see here, this is a package right now. How to install it, you have to navigate through your WordPress store dashboard and select plugin. So this is my WordPress store here. Now simply you have to just go and click on plugin. Now once you just go and click on plugin, And then you have to go and click on add new plugin. And there you have to search for Sendcloud connected, which is basically this WordPress plugin, right? And here you have to just go and click on Sendcloud. And you will find this option of Sendcloud shipping. I'll click on it. Now, as we have already downloaded it, right? Once you click on download, automatically it will get installed in your WordPress. And here you can activate the plugin by the plugin screen, right? So once you install, automatically in the plugin section, you will able to find your plugin. Now you can activate it there, right? And once connected to Sendcloud, navigate to the integration, right? WooCommerce with the Sendcloud panel and enable service point. In WooCommerce, go to the settings, shipping, and enable service point delivery for the desired zone. And this is how you can just connect to your Sendcloud and your Shopify store way easily. Thanks for watching this video.